Hi, Matt Mojak here with another episode of Montell Makeover in Minutes. Today we're looking at a recently completed siding project here in Rockford, Michigan. Follow me and we can take a look at some of the details of this project. So on this house, we utilized, well, a couple things here. First product that you'll obviously see is the vinyl siding. So this is CertainTeed Main Street. The color is granite gray. It's a 5/5 clapboard. Worked out really well for this house, as well as with the brown trim around all the windows. So what we actually did in this project is we didn't actually remove the wood siding. We went right over top with a 1/4 inch fan fold or a 1/4 inch insulated board. And then that allowed us to come back and put the siding over top of that. So that does two things. One, that makes the siding look perfect from the outside as far as a perfectly straight look. But the other thing too that it does is help with insulation. So pretty standard practice on all of our siding projects. With this one, the homeowners did not decide to redo the soffit and fascia and gutters. So you'll see that's kind of a mocha brown color. So we decided to match that with all of the window trim. So on all the window trim, that's a Nomar powder coated aluminum that we trim around all those windows. With this project in particular, we had to essentially build out those window frames so the siding didn't come out past the actual window. I think color scheme, this turned out great. Homeowners were very happy with it. So another siding project in the books for Montell Construction. This has been Matt Mojak with another episode of Montell Makeover in Minutes. See you next week.